Myths versus facts about waterproofing. Myth number 1. Pag may tagas, pintura lang katapat niyan. Fact. Ordinary paint doesn't waterproof. Kailangan ng waterproofing membrane or sealant na talagang designed to block water. Myth number 2. Pare-pareho lang lahat ng waterproofing. Fact. May water-based, solvent-based, cementitious, elastomeric, at membrane systems. Iba-iba ang use, some are for roofs, for CR, or for exterior walls. Myth number 3. Pwede nang i-apply kahit anong weather. Fact. For best results, avoid applying during rainy or highly humid days. Mas mabilis mag-crack o mag-peel kapag hindi tama ang weather conditions. Myth number 4. Pag matigas ang waterproofing, mas matibay. Fact. Waterproofing must be flexible, not brittle. Kailangan niya mag-expand at mag-contract sa init at lamig, lalo na sa tropical weather ng Pilipinas. Sa primero, maraming variants ng waterproofing products depende sa surface na paglalagyan. Kung meron pa kayong ibang katanungan, mag-message na kayo sa video na ito. Tandaan, magtanong sa eksperto.